Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from OK Beauty Box. So if you want to see what's inside in OK Beauty Box December 2021, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again. And thank you so much for your continuing support. This box, lovelies, I think I ordered it yesterday or the other day. And the delivery was really quick. If you are new to this subscription box, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs 15 pounds a month, including the shipping fee, and you will receive 5 beauty products every month, from skincare to makeup. But they have also an offer at the moment. If you are a new subscriber, first time subscriber, there is a code which is 67, and this box will cost you only £4.95, I think. All the info as always will be in the description box below. So yes, this is their December 2021, and I think there will be spoiler also for January 2021. I will do a separate video for that one, so stay tuned. So let's open. So it came with this box, just a simple white box, and let's open it. So this inside here, it says beauty begins inside in this month. Okay, beauty edit. This box has been specially curated by our expert beauty team with you in mind. Every month you will receive a minimum of 5 products, always worth at least £60. We will see at the end. All tried, tested, and loved by our beauty editors. Don't forget to share your unboxing, and yeah, and let's open it. I really do like it. It's open like that. So on the top you will receive a leaflet. It says OK Beauty Box, and at the back you receive the description and the prices of the products inside. But also here we have a sneak peek for next month, which is January 2022, and will be worth £105. I don't know if I can see everything in here, lovelies. I hope I can recognize the product so I can do the lineup too, so you stay tuned for that. So yeah, let's see each item in here. So the first product we have, this is from SLMG Sandra Lee MG Salicylic Acid Cleanser Exfoliating Face Wash. And here it says, this lightly foaming gel removes traces of dirt and oil and exfoliates skin to promote a more even looking complexion. This is a full size, yes, and it's worth £26. Let's see inside. So it looks like this. Wow, 125 ml, lovelies. So yes, this is really a full size. Let me see if it has the sealed on. It has the sealed, so I'll leave it there. And here it says, created by Dr. Sandra Lee, aka Dr. Pimple Popper, who certainly knows a thing or two about keeping breakouts at bay. This gel cleanser will gently remove dirt from pores without stripping the skin. So yeah, this is the first product. The next item we have here is an eye gel, and this is from Able Skincare London. Pro Expert Collagen Blue Light Restoring Hydrogel Eye Pads. So here we go. So this is a full size. It's one pair, and it's worth £10. And it says, the perfect pick-me-up for tired eyes. This will leave the under eye area feeling hydrated and looking brighter. Keep the pack in the fridge for extra perky peepers. So yes, this is the second item. And then the next one we have, it's from Mad Musky. This is the Hair Mask, Scalp Treatment, and Miracle Shampoo 3-in-1. I'm using this one at the moment, and to be honest, it's really nice item. As you know, I have quite sensitive scalp. Some products, it doesn't work for me. If it doesn't work, it gives me like dandruff, like very dry scalp. So but this one is really gentle. Here it says repairs hair, strengthens hair, hydrates hair, moisturizes scalp, dandruff control. So This is really nice. This is a full size and it's retail for 21 pounds. I've been using it for a couple of weeks now, I think, and yes, it's not really bad, but I really want to finish the product before I do my review. And this one, it says, okay, beauty editor Laura Muley, I hope I pronounced it properly, says this 3-in-1 hair care hero helps to clean and rejuvenate from root to tip, even soothing an itchy scalp, massage in and leave on for just 1 minute for healthy hair. So yes, this is the third item. The next one we have, and this is from Monoskin Night Renewal Complex, and this has 50 ml. So here we go, the product. And this one, it's a full size and it's worth 51 pounds and 50 pence. I know Monoskin is very expensive brand, and I think it's very overrated product in my opinion, because I tried a few products from this brand and it didn't work for my skin, but I never tried this one here, so I give it a try. But it says a right night cream that contains sweet almond oil, marine collagen and polysaccharides, I can pronounce that word, which will hydrate, improve elasticity and plump fine lines. And the last product we have here, this is from Eau de Parfum Naturally Fragrant Body Oil from Paul Yacomin, London. I really hope I pronounce it properly. So here we go, the product. And this is a full size 2. So this one is retail for 32 pounds. And here it says, just the thing to nourish dry skin this winter. This luxurious blend of oils has an uplifting scent of ilang-ilang, bergamot, and mandarin. It's really cute, the packaging. I really like the packaging. So yes, that's all for my unboxing, lovelies. Let's do a recap. We have a full size, 5 full size product in this month box. We have from Paul Yacomin, and this is the Naturally Fragrant Body Oil. It's retail for 32 pounds. And then we have the Monoskin Night Renewal Complex. I think this is a full size and it's retail for 51.50. We have a full size from Mud Mask Hair Mask Treatment Miracle Oil 3-in-1, 75 ml. It's retail for 21 pounds. Another full size from Ebo Skincare, 1 pair of hydrogel eye pad, and this one is worth 10 pounds. And then we have a full size from SLMT, Sandra Lee MD, and this has 125 ml full size and it's rated for 26 pounds. So wow, this month box, that's the reason that I subscribed to this box, because I am thinking for 15 pounds this box is really a good bargain in my opinion. This has the same price as look fantastic, and you can see the difference of the sizes of the products. I'm thinking to continue with the subscription box at the moment. They are quite new. I know they just started this year, the subscription box. Few previous boxes I was really tempted to subscribe. I decided to subscribe this month. So yes, that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. What do you think of this box? Let me know in the comment below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload a video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Stay safe and take care, lovelies. Bye.